If you are so serious about making money, this is the channel for you.
Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we're going to uncover Microsoft Copilot's abilities. So the first one is you're able to talk to it. And this is not something that ChatGPT can do. Now, ChatGPT can read out loud your responses. That's something I think I failed to mention earlier. But if you want it to read your responses, it can do so. But for you to talk to it, to give it an audio prompt, this is still not available for now, but it will definitely be available maybe after 2 weeks from now. You never know. So let's go ahead and explore this feature. So if you click on use the mic, I can talk. Generate a list of 10 best affiliate marketing networks that I can join as an affiliate marketer. And once you're done, hit submit without saying anything else, and it will provide you with the 10 best affiliate marketing networks.
As an aspiring affiliate marketer, you have several excellent options for joining affiliate.
And you can also stop the reader anytime you want by clicking here, and it will stop the reader. So it's particularly giving me all the affiliate networks that I already know, such as ShareASale. Basically, AWin is the same company that I think owns ShareASale, then CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, Flex Offers, and so on and so forth. All of these are famous platforms for affiliates, but you can go into detail. So I can say something like this: find me one of the most lucrative affiliate programs in the niche of car interiors, and also guide me on how to promote it. And if I click submit right now on this one, now it's going to read this. So I have to stop it from reading. Right here, you can see stop the read, and I just want to listen. But if you're the type that likes to basically have it read it out loud to you, you can just leave it like that. It will just read it out loud. Or you can wait until it finishes the response, and it's going to proceed on to give you the option to read it out loud. So here it has gave us a program which basically pays 75% commissions, cookie duration 60 days, even gives you the payment method, the program details, and also the affiliate materials. And it gives you how much you can expect to earn per sale. So that's $148. And how to promote it, right? So it even gives us how to promote it. So understanding your audience, target DIY. Obviously, I didn't give it any specifics on how should we promote it, but I can ask it, how can we promote it on YouTube? How can we promote this on Pinterest? How can we promote this, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera? And it will definitely give us a response. Notice here, I can click read out loud, and let's listen. 1, 2, 3.
Certainly. The niche of car interiors offers exciting opportunities for affiliate marketers. Let's explore a lucrative affiliate program and discuss how to promote it effectively.
Affiliate program as battery reconditioning.
Product description, the easy...
Okay, you can see it also changes voices. So it can be a little bit weird, but it is pretty good. And here you can actually share. You can download, export your response in Word, PDF, and text. And you can copy your response. You can like or dislike. I'm going to like. There's nothing wrong with liking. And here it gives you some suggested questions that you might also ask. And it has the ability to interpret images.